Hello guys! Welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'll show you how to restore backup in iCloud. Let's begin. So first, you need to turn on your device. You should see a hello screen, just like what we have on the screen right now. And if you've already set up your device, you would need to erase all of its content before following these steps to restore from your backup. So once you're there, you just need to follow the on-screen setup steps until you reach the apps and data screen. And then you tap restore from iCloud backup. And then you would be prompted to log in your Apple ID, then your password. And then there's a part there wherein you need to choose your backup and then make sure that you look at the date and size of each backup to pick the most relevant one. Definitely you could customize or choose what are the things that you would need to restore once you already are on that page. And then take note also guys that when you are already logged in, and then say for instance you have purchased music from iTunes or you have some apps that you purchase in App Store, don't worry because you can definitely re-download this one. However, you would need to log in multiple times, not just once, for your Apple ID. So once you're there, make sure that you're connected to your Wi-Fi and wait for progress bar to appear and finish loading. Of course, it depends on the size of the backup and then the network speed. It may take, it may take time before you would be able to finish everything. And if you're disconnected, the progress will be paused until you reconnect. Now you finished the setup process and, you finish your setup process and then you be able to use already your apps and whatever you've purchased, as long as you stay connected to your Wi-Fi once you are doing this one. On the other hand, if you need to restore your device from a backup on your computer, say for example on the Mac, this is how you would do it. You connect your device to your computer with a USB cable. If a message ask for your device passcode to trust this computer, just follow the on-screen steps. And then when you select your iPhone, it appears in the Finder window or iTunes. So if let's say for example it cannot locate your iPhone, then you may want to replug your USB or just do a basic troubleshooting in case you're not able to see that. And then you would be able to select restore backup, and then same, you would need to log in and then you would need to put your password just to restore. And then just make sure your device is connected, and then after it has restarted, for it to sync with your computer, and then you can just disconnect after the sync has finished. So there, pretty much that's a simple step for you to restore your backup. If you like this video, please hit on like. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.